Welcome to Nokia's Factory of the Future in Oulu, Finland. At our factory in Oulu, we manufacture a variety of different Nokia products. And to be able to continually improve the safety, productivity, and efficiency of our manufacturing process, we're using a private network here on our campus and within our factory floor. Here you see the wireless portion of this private network. Here in blue is the 5G connectivity that we're using to provide low latency, high reliable connections between the edge cloud infrastructure here in Oulu and these red robots. There in green is our legacy LTE infrastructure, which we're still using to provide connectivity to automated guided vehicles and 3D printers. And our Wi-Fi infrastructure there in yellow that we're using to pull telemetry data back from some of our machinery. Now, all of this state information is available in real time to the systems that are running on the edge cloud here in Oulu, as well as available to our human operators who are monitoring and controlling the factory floor from the safety of our operations center. Here in the operations center, not only do they have visibility to the state of our Oulu factory, but also all the other factories in the Nokia supply chain. And as the state changes, as new orders come in, we can use this state information to figure out how best to reconfigure and re-optimize our manufacturing facility in order to maximize efficient use of capital equipment or to minimize the delay of different orders. And here you see a reconfiguration of our Oulu factory floor. Our human operators have determined, with the help of the expert systems, that this is the best configuration to get orders out as quickly as possible. When a product is complete, we immediately load it onto 5G connected automated trucks using our automated guided vehicles. These trucks are connected to 5G network slices that we've procured from our wide area service provider. We also have the ability to expedite deliveries from our factory floor into our trucks. And again, a drone is connected with 5G, ultra-reliable, low-latency communication connectivity. As our automated trucks leave our facility, our operations center continually gets updates on the status of our shipment. And we've also embedded wireless sensors into our shipping containers, and we use that information to monitor the temperature, vibration, and other environmental data. All this data is used to optimize the productivity and efficiency of our supply chain.